Hello children, welcome to my channel Excellent Educational Center by Priya Gulati. Students, today I am going to solve question number 10, exercise 4.3. So please like, share and subscribe my video. The question says an express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Now what you have to find in the question, the average speed of two trains. So whatever is being asked, उसी को हम लेट करेंगे. सो लेट द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ पैसेंजर ट्रेन इक्वल्स टू 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर. देयरफॉर एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन का स्पीड 11 किलोमीटर पर आवर इज मोर देन द पैसेंजर ट्रेन. सो द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन विल बिकम x plus 11 kilometers per hour, and distance covered by each train is given in the question as 132 kilometers. So let us find the expression for the time taken. So let t1 be the time taken by express train. Use the formula time equals to distance upon speed. What is the distance given to you in the question? 132. What is the speed of express train? Look here, x plus 11. So I write x plus 11. So this is the time t1, 132 upon x plus 11 hours. Let t2 be the time taken by passenger train. Time formula distance upon speed. Distance is again 132. What is the speed of passenger train which I have taken as x? So I write down speed as x. So this is t2. So finally again I write down express train time. Pick from here. T1 equals to 132 x plus 11. This was express train time. So again I write express train time T1 equals to 132 upon x plus 11. Similarly, passenger train time, pick up from here, T2 equals to 132 upon x. So I write passenger train time T2 equals to 132 upon x. ATQ, according to question, it is given that express train time is 1 hour less than the passenger train time. So what equation you will write? Express train time equals to passenger train time minus 1. Right? So what is express train time? T1. So write down T1 equals to passenger train time. Look here, T2. So passenger train time minus 1 gives you T2 minus 1. So this is the equation in terms of T1, T2. I write it again on the next page. So I obtain T1 equals to T2 minus T1. So this is your T1 equals to T2 minus T1. Bring minus 1 on left side. So it will become plus 1. And bring T2 on right side. So it becomes minus T1. So I get 1 equals to T2 minus T1. Just interchange the sides. T2 minus T1 equals to 1. Right? Now what I will do? The values of T1 and T2, I will substitute from, I come to this again. T1 was 132 upon x plus 11. T2 was 132 upon x. So T1, T2 का value I will substitute from here. So I write T2 minus T1 equals to 1. It will become T2 value आप लगा दीजिए 132 upon x minus T1 value is 132 upon x plus 11 equals to 1. Now what next? This is the equation I have obtained after reading the language of the question. So this equation is not in the standard quadratic form. So our purpose is to convert this equation into the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 quadratic form. So for that what I will do, look at the denominators. There are two denominators. First of all, I will try to remove the denominator. So what I have to do to remove the denominator? Multiply each term by the product of their denominators. ये जो product होता है ये इनका denominators का LCM है. So multiply each term by x into x plus 11. So what will be this term? 132 into x into x plus 11. So I write 132 into x plus 11 divided by x. Minus minus. Now this term will become 132 into x plus 11 or divide by x plus 11 as it is equals to 1 into. So 1 into x plus 11. So 1 into x plus 11. Now you can cancel something. This x gets cancelled with this x. This x plus 11 gets cancelled with x plus 11. So what remains now? 132 into x plus 11. So I write 132 x plus 11. Now this is minus x into 132 means 132x equals to. This will become x into x plus 11. Now open the bracket, distributive law. 132 into x, 132x. Plus 132 into 11, 1452. Minus 132, open the bracket, x into x, x square. Plus x into 11, 11x. Next, ये 132x प्लस का है, दिस इज 132x माइनस. सो these two terms if I subtract it becomes 0. So I can show it by cancelling them out. इन दोनों को कैंसिल कर दीजिए. So what is left? 1452 equals to x square plus 11. Now bring all the terms to right side. So if I bring to right side, this will be x square plus 11x minus 1452. x square plus 11x minus 1452. और नेक्स्ट साइड में क्या रह जाएगा? 0. सो बिकॉज आई हैव ब्रॉट दिस हेयर तो इट विल बिकम 0. उसी को हमने रिवर्स कर दिया है तो ये 0 हो गया यहाँ पे. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्टेन फाइनली. दिस इज द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से आप कंपेयर करेंगे. ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल्स टू 0. इस वन वेरिएबल में डिग्री 2 क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आपको मिल गया. नाउ आई हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन फॉर एक्स. I will solve it by making use of quadratic formula. So this is your quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. Write down the values of a, b, c from this equation. What is a? Coefficient of x square, which is 1, so a equals to 1. What is b? Coefficient of x, which is 11, so b equals to 11. What is c? The constant term without any x term in it, so I will take it along with its sign, minus 1452, so c equals to minus 1452. So these values a, b, c I will substitute in this quadratic formula. So what next, children? Now I write down the values of a, b, c again. So these were the values of a, b and c. आपका क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला में यहाँ पे मैंने ऑलरेडी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. तो x इक्वल टू माइनस बी था, तो माइनस बी मीन्स माइनस 11 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट बी स्क्वायर मीन्स 11 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू ए इंटू सी गिव्स यू 4 इंटू 1 इंटू minus 1452. 4 into 1 into minus 1452 upon 2a means 2 into 1. Next step, minus 11 plus minus 11 into 11 121 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1452 gives you minus 5808. Divide by 2 into 1 2. Next step, x equals to minus 11 plus minus, this minus will become plus, so 121 plus 5808 divided by 2. This will give you x equals to minus 11 plus minus, add them, you will get 5929 divided by 2. Now I want to find the square root of 5929. 5929 ये एलसीएम वाले मेथड से आप इसके फैक्टर्स बना लीजिए. यू विल गेट 11 into 11 into 7 into 7. So write down here 11 into 11 into 7 into 7. ये ऑलरेडी यहाँ पेयरिंग कीजिए. 11 into 11 का पेयरिंग हो गया, 7 और 7 का पेयरिंग हो गया. सो आई विल राइट डाउन 11 once and 7 also once. So I will get 11 into 7, answer is 77. So finally square root of 5929 gives you 77. So I will substitute this value of 77 in place of root 5929. So what will be your next step? X equals to, come to the next step, x equals to minus 11 plus minus 77 upon 2. Now what next? I will solve this by taking separately plus sign as well as minus signs. So when I take minus sign, x will be equals to minus 11 minus 77 upon 2. When I take plus sign, x equals to minus 11 plus 77 upon 2. Now keep on solving. This will become minus 88 upon 2. Cancel, minus 48. Similarly, subtract 66 upon 2. Cancel, you get 33. Now what do you notice here? आपका इस केस में तो x का वैल्यू जो आया माइनस में आया, नेगेटिव है. सो नेगेटिव वैल्यूज इज नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज स्पीड कांट बी नेगेटिव. हमने x को स्पीड एज्यूम किया था बिगिनिंग में. सो x स्पीड कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. सो दिस वैल्यू x minus 44 is rejected. So x equal to 33. This is the positive answer. This is the possible value. So finally, what answer you will write down? X equals to 33 km per hour. This was your passenger train speed. And x plus 11, this was your express train speed. So put the value of x from here. So you will get 33 plus 11 equals to 44 km per hour. So these are your final answers, passenger train and express train speed. I hope children you have understood this problem. Bye bye.